Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by turning the ignition off and removing the key, safety first. Once done, crouch at the rear and visually locate the seat fastener or key lock. This is often under the tail or behind a panel. Use the matching 10mm or 12mm socket and a short extension to break the bolt free. Keep the fastener in a small tray so nothing gets lost. Make sure to note any plastic clips as you expose them so you don't force anything later. With both bolts loosened, back them out evenly while supporting the seat. Don't let it tip and catch on a fairing. Once bolts are out, feel for the latch mechanism. Pull the seat forward if the latch is rear-mounted or lift the rear if it's front-latched. Every model has a direction. If you encounter an electrical plug for a heated pad or alarm sensor, depress the tab and separate the connector now. Once free, lift the seat straight up and off the frame without twisting to avoid breaking tabs. After the seat is off, inspect rubber bumpers, plastic tabs, and threaded inserts for damage. Replace if worn. To reinstall, align the front hooks or rear latch first, seat it fully, then start bolts by hand to avoid cross-threading. Torque to manufacturer spec. If the seat won't budge when removing, don't force it. Locate any hidden fastener under a side panel or in the tail. Spray a little penetrating oil on rusty bolts and work the latch with short, firm taps until it releases.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.